going to take a look at the Gerber Curve, and this is considered a mini tool. I would consider this a micro tool. It is really tiny. It's really nice to be able to fit onto a key ring, so just makes it a great option. Sometimes carrying a multi-tool can be large and cumbersome and just uncomfortable. Great to have a small, lightweight tool that can accomplish some of the basic little tasks that you might run into on a daily basis. Now, I typically have a little small Swiss Army knife that I keep on my key ring, and it works well and I like it, but this gives you a little more You can just clip this directly onto your ring. It's going to hold really well. Sometimes some of the tools that I've had in the past have not really, I found them in the bottom of my pocket or on the ground, but this, the way it reacts, you have to really mean to push this to bring it loose, and so I really like that feature. Then the first thing it brings us to is this bottle opener. And you can open different kinds of, well, mainly beer bottles because of the way this works. But any other kind of soft drink or anything else, it just gives you a small bottle opener. And of course, it's denoted with the bottle right there. It does have 5 other features with the tools. One of the things, of course, is this small little knife. The knife is short. It's only 1 1/4 inches. I really like the thickness of it, though, because it's not too spindly. I mean, it gives you a little bit of some oomph, even though it's short. One thing you'll notice right away too is the locking mechanism. So it's not going to come loose on you. You just pull this down and then it allows the knife to close. We have a nice flathead screwdriver. Also, it's locked. Little Phillips head screwdriver. It also features the sides with a file. So you're going to have a file that you can use right on the side. Then we have this little awl, and you can punch through things. You can actually use that for a really small flathead screwdriver as well. It's stainless steel construction. The panels on the side are aluminum, and it does give it a little styling and some color. Now, the weight is incredibly light. It weighs less than an ounce. In fact, it's 0.8 ounces. It's only 2 1/4 inches long when it's closed. It is 3 1/2 inches in the open position. The width is only about 3/4 of an inch. It does have a panel on the back with Gerber on it, and especially if you have your knife out, it gives you something to rest your finger on without the bare metal. So it does give you a little comfort factor. And as you can see, it does have a little width to the spine of this blade. The Curve also comes in gray, and it comes in gray, engravable gray, which this panel is just solid, so you can actually have a little engraving here, and this would be a neat little tool to give away for a present. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is $16, but I've seen them all over the internet for $9.95. Check out the Gerber Curve. Neat little quality tool that you can fit right on your key ring or in your pocket, and it covers a lot of options. And as always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more sensible prepping. God bless America. Long live the Republic. Now, the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $16, so I saved a penny buying this on the spur of the moment downtown, but they're all over the internet for $9.99 or $9.95. Very open design, very lightweight. In fact, it only weighs 8 ounces.